guys, and welcome back to a new Arabic lesson with me, Maha. I am not feeling well. I'm feeling sick today. You can hear from my sound, from my voice. So today I'm going to teach you how to say I'm not feeling well and the variations between not feeling well and sick for both male and female, also for the plurals, and the variations between just saying I'm simply sick or I'm not feeling well and I have pain in different parts of the body. Let's get started. All right, let's precise that we're going to learn MSA today, Modern Standard Arabic, yeah? And then I'll do a same video for Palestinian dialects or more of a spoken and colloquial approach to the language. So in Modern Standard Arabic, if you are sick, we use the adjective marid, written this way, marid. If you are female, I think you know that we add an a sound to the adjective marid or whatever adjective. And the a sound is something that's called ta marbuta, which is a symbol of the feminine gender. It is called ta marbuta, but it's not pronounced as a T. So marid becomes marida. We write it this way, but we don't pronounce the ta as maridat. Marid, marida. If I'm sick, do I say ana marid? No, I'm unfortunately or apparently I'm a female. So أنا مريضة. مريضة. You are many people and you are sick. We usually use the masculine plural, which is un, and the feminine plural, which is a. But unfortunately, plurals are not always regular. So the plural of marid is not maridun, but it's marda. Marda. Marid, male, marida, female, and marda, plural. We are marda. You can do the exception of feminine plural saying maridat, but nobody really uses that. You can say marda for both plural and male and plural of female. Now this is how we simply say sick. How do I say I'm not feeling well? We say I do not feel. We use the verb sha'ara to feel, yeah, and we put it in the present tense. So we say ash'uru, and we negate it. Ash'uru means I feel. I don't feel. Ana la ash'uru. You know that in order to negate any present tense, a verb we use la. Too much grammar in a vocabulary lesson, I know, but that's what I love to do. I love you to get into the logic of the language rather than just simply memorizing sentences. Okay, I'll try to make it quick. So to be on point, to stay focused on the point of saying I don't feel well. So ash'uru, I feel. I don't feel, la ash'uru. And la ash'uru, well. How do we say well? We say بخير. La ash'uru بخير. That's really literal translating it from English, and it does work. Luckily, it does work. La ash'uru بخير. I don't feel well. If I have any pain, we say ash'uru بألم. Why ash'uru bi? Ash'uru bi because the verb to feel, it's a phrasal verb. So if I feel pain in something, we say ash'uru bi pain. Alam means pain. And then you say, where is this pain? In my situation today, and I don't want to teach you all the different aches and pains, أنا أشعر بألم في حلقي, in my throat. حلقي, حلق, throat. If you feel pain in your head, أنا أشعر بألم في رأسي. If you feel pain in your hand, أشعر بألم stays the same, في, and then you change the body part. If you're interested in learning all the body parts and then combining this lesson with a different body part that aches you or makes you feel not good, then I'll link the lesson below in the description, and then you can combine these new ways of saying things to the vocabulary lessons that I already have on my channel. So let's recap. Today, أنا مريضة. If you are male, then you are a marid. If all of us are sick, God forbid, we say مرضى. Then, if I'm not feeling well, we say أنا لا أشعر بخير. I don't feel well. لا أشعر بخير. And if I have pain in something specific, I say أشعر بألم. ألم means pain, so أشعر ب, I feel. أشعر بألم, I feel pain. في, in, and then the body part. In my case, أشعر بألم في حلقي. I hope you liked this lesson. I hope by next lesson I will feel much better and I will not be مريضة anymore. I hope you are not مريض or مرضى at all, and I'll see you in the following Arabic lesson where we all نشعر we feel بخير إن شاء الله. See you. مع السلامة. Bye.